For some of you, this will be the first time you see Unleashed. Before we get started, let's look at the Unleashed workflow at a high level. We'll start off with purchasing. We create purchase orders inside of Unleashed, so we know how much we are purchasing as well as the purchase price. Once the goods arrive in our business, it becomes inventory. We have a double arrow between purchasing and inventory because from time to time, we need to return goods back to the supplier. Let's look at inventory, which includes a whole bunch of awesome features to help you manage inventory, such as stock adjustments, stock takes, moving goods between warehouses, as well as our production features. We'll look at these in just a few moments. Let's move down to the sales side, which is the most important thing to your business. We conduct sales out of Unleashed so that we know how much stock on hand we have at any given time. From time to time, customers may require a credit. Therefore, we have a double arrow between sales and inventory. Along the way, for purchasing, inventory, and sales, we may pass along a transaction into your accounting software to keep your financial side up to date. Let's now take a look at Unleashed. When you first log into Unleashed, you will be presented with a dashboard. This is great for keeping an eye over your business and how it is tracking at any given time. It has some helpful graphs, as well as sales statistics and transactions that you may want to follow up on, such as late sales or low stock items. Unleashed is laid out in such a way that it makes it easy to find the functionality that you need. We have the modules going down on the left-hand side with the menu structure beneath each of them. We also have a global search which is always visible to help you find the transaction you are looking for. When creating transactions in Unleashed, you will be shown the transaction screen. For example, our purchase orders. The screen is laid out with all the information you need to populate. Please note that some of the labels are hyperlinks, which will drill down to further information. Once we have created this purchase order, we will be able to see it on the View Purchases screen. From here, you are able to filter information and also move it onto the next stage. So here, in the Action column, we have the Action cog. When we hover over it, we can see a list of next steps to move that purchase order along. Please note that you have the clone option in several places in Unleashed. This allows you to duplicate the transaction, such as purchase orders, products, and sales. If you're the business owner or manager, you may want to monitor business performance. Unleashed has a number of reports which can be customized to help you find what you are looking for. Here we can see the reorder report. We can see the filters at the top, and we also have the ability to export the report to PDF or to a spreadsheet. One of the great things about this particular report is that you are able to automate the reorder of low stock, and you can see a list of all the low stock on this report. As you may be new to Unleashed, you would want to bring across your existing data. You can either create new records as needed, or you can import existing content. This applies to suppliers, products, bill of materials, and customers. Also, under the inventory area, we have some features to help you manage your stock, such as stock adjustments, moving stock between warehouses, and stock takes. Unleashed also has really rich functionality which allows you to purchase raw components into your business and compile them into a finished product. We can do this via our production feature, starting with the bill of materials, which is defining the components that will be used in the final product, as well as creating assemblies. Of course, sales are the most important thing to any business, and we conduct those within Unleashed. In doing so, we add products into the sales order, and we can straight away see the margin and profit we are making line by line, as well as the total margin and profit for that sale. Dispatching goods from your business to the customer can be managed via the dispatchment process. You are able to track these shipments on the sales order screen. From time to time, the ordered quantity is more than what you actually have on hand. And we have some back order functionality that will allow you to ship out whatever you have now, create a purchase order for the remaining items, and either drop ship directly to your customer or to ship the goods when they arrive into your warehouse. Another one of our commonly used reports is the Margin Inquiry Report, where we can see sales and possibly group this by salesperson allowing you to easily calculate sales commission. If you are new to Unleashed, you may want to go through the setup of your account, which you can find under Settings. This will allow you to configure your account and enhance the use of Unleashed. If you have not yet done so, we recommend that you get a free trial of Unleashed to play around with. To do this, go to the Unleashed website and click on Try Unleashed now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enjoy your Unleashed journey.